outlet. Yeah, 5 to 10 minutes. I wait for you. No rush. Please double check your phone on your back. Have it.
Это батут.
After cruising on the river, we arrived. This is Bến Tre Province. And in Vietnam, when Vietnamese talk about Bến Tre, we talk about coconut candies. It's a specialty in this region. This region has about 72,000 hectares of coconuts, about 50% of coconuts in the whole country. So this is the region, the land of coconuts. And I show you the secret of the local. And when you return to your country, if you want, you can set up your own business. And this is an old ripe coconut. And the first step of making candies, local people, they use this sharp to remove the cups, the cover. You know, this young boy is a local. He will show you. Sao mà đưa lại cái cục đó cho anh? And hugs. We will recycle for making mats. And now we will break it in half. So maybe you ask me why they waste that coconut juice. Because it's not good for drinking. Local, they use that for to cook with sugar to make coconut caramel. And coconut caramel used for stewing fish pork. Cứ từ từ con nhé. Bowls or handicraft products, and later you see a lot of these products over there made by the farmers. And this is the flesh. And the loop. So this is coconut milk. And this is shredded coconuts. They don't throw away. They leave it 1 to 2 days in the bag and press again to get coconut oil. And the oil for cooking, and women, they use that to moisturize the skin, used for the hair. And after that, used for feeding chicken, pigs. So they recycle everything. And after having coconut milk, it will be mixed with malt, M-A-L-T. Malt made from sticky rice. This will be mixed together about 45 minutes. And this candy, no sugar. And now, let me show you the sample. I'm happy. This included peanut. Different people, different tastes. And as a Vietnamese, I'm very happy to share you this product from my country. This is just a family-run business. Now, please follow me here.
Come go, here we go! Come go, here we go!
Right up closer. The last step, they use rice paper and plastic to wrap it. So when you open this, you can see this is edible rice paper. And each workers, they can wrap about 1,200 candies while they are working. But many flavors like coffee, cacao, ginger. This is the one you try at the beginning, peanuts. And this is another product.
For everything about travel, food, and knowledge videos, watch the OPTVLOGS YouTube channel and subscribe the channel. Click on the subscribe button. Enlarge the bell icon to get the notification when uploading the video.